Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I would like to show to you how the way to get more detailed design on your Canva application by adding a guidelines onto your page. So the way to adding it, first you need to open a new project, or maybe open your project that you already have. So for example, I would like maybe use this one. Okay, now here the way to adding a guideline onto the page is just by hitting this button on top of your screen, this three dots button. Okay, and then click it. Now you just need to go to the settings button, click the settings button, and now you can just hit this add guides, this one, click it, and there will be a plenty of choice of a style from the guideline, or maybe you can custom your own guideline like this. You can custom it for each row, how many columns that you want, how many rows that you want to add on your page as a guideline. Okay, so for example, let's just use these three columns, and then go to the custom like this. And now I would like to add this one, three columns, and for the gap I would like to put it on to 0, just like this. And now go to the rows, and I would like to add 2 rows on this guideline, kind of like that. And now just click done when you finish adding the guideline onto it. Now you can move freely your project and positioning it onto the exact position without worrying it's not on the proportional position on your design. So yep, that's how the way to add a guideline onto your design on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.